Hello everyone, and welcome to X Lucky Ducky Gaming channel. Today we have a V Memories Celebrations box that is only exclusive to GameStop. I said I was going to get more in for celebrations, and I did. So this is very exciting. Also, if you haven't liked or subscribed to this page, definitely do so. I do periodic openings like this just to showcase what's inside of them. And I give away the codes too, so always good stuff. Alright, let's get right to it. Put that down. Let's just show off more of the box. Very shiny. And you get this cool little information piece on what this contains. These are pretty nice, almost like poster quality. And then that's stuff, guys. But then grab all these. Got our celebration packs. I believe you get 6 of them, and 2 normal packs, which we're going to do first. After I show off what's inside the box. Giant card. There's a lot of stuff in here. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. There we go. Alright. So, some of the stuff you get in this nifty little box. That's weird. I've never seen a promo box have a green code before. Usually it's just a white promo code for promos. So you get this jumbo card showcasing Lance's Charizard V. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. I'll put it back here actually. Then you get this nifty little Charizard coin. Good size. This really adorable Sylveon pen. Then both promos. Lance's Charizard V with the Dragon Champion himself. And Dark Sylveon V. Looking like she's about to ruin your day. She does in Pokemon Unite. At least pre-nerf anyway. But yeah, very nice promos. So glad you get built 2 in 1. And here's that code for this box. Good luck. And let's get to the packs. We're going to start off with Darkness Ablaze. Here's the code for the Darkness Ablaze pack. Good luck. And we're just going to go this one normally. Our reverse is a Clang, and our rare is a Selgor. Nothing too crazy there in this one. Next pack up is Battle Styles. Here's that. For Battle Styles code, good luck. Do the pack trick for this one. Sometimes green codes can have good stuff. Doesn't necessarily mean it doesn't give you a V or anything. Glary Mr. Rhyme. Our reverse is a Remoraid, and our rare is a Stonejourner. Alright, we got to the main packs. Now we get to have some fun with celebrations. 6 of these. Very nice. Alright. Put these over here. Here's that code for you for celebrations. First one. And we have Cosmog, Oveltal, Reshiram, and our last card's going to be a Surfing Pikachu VMAX. Bigger than that ship in the corner there. Tell you what, after all what I open of this set, I never get tired of it. Ever. So much fun to open. Next up, round 2. And here is that code card. And we have Zekrom, Lugia, and our classic card is Rocket Zapdos and a Flying Pikachu V. Both flying electric types, would you guess? Alright. Go ahead and sleeve him up. Get a closer look. He looks pretty happy that it is his 25th birthday. And this is just a really nice card. I have several of these already, but still, I still love looking at it. Alright, we'll put these over here. On to round 3. I've never seen a green code in a celebrations. This is weird. Still celebrations though. Huh. Very interesting. We have Ho-Oh, Palkia. Our classic card is Here Comes Team Rocket, and a full art Chonky. Look at this boy. I have so many of these. I love the Team Rocket card too. So we're gonna go ahead and sleeve those up. If I can actually get it in sleeve. Really nice that they made this like full art, the Caterpie in the corner. Just hiding or seeing what's going on. We'll put him right next to the other Pikachus. Very nice. On to round 4. Let me know in the comments what your favorite card from this set is. If I had to choose one for me, that's tough. I really like the Shining Magikarp. Really cool card. You never had one of the originals, so it's nice. And we have a Ho-Oh, Zekrom, and our classic card is Here Comes Team Rocket, and our holo is going to be Solgaleo with Lunala. I said Lunala. With Lily in the background. There is a Lunala with her too, so. Go ahead and sleeve the Team Rocket up. Here comes Team Rocket. Twice. I mean, it's Jesse and James, so you gotta get 2 of them, I guess. Alright. There you go. Make it easier. This is round 5, and we have Cosmoem, Reshiram, Groudon, and our last holo is going to be the Lunala I just mentioned earlier, actually. Very good. It's got a really good attack there, too. Doubling the damage counters. Oof. Especially with the new Inteleon engine that's out right now. Alright, we are down to our last pack. What will it have? Let's find out. And here's that code card. All right. We have a Cosmog, Reshiram. Our classic card is Rocket's Adamant and Oak himself, Professor's Research. I actually haven't gotten a Rocket's Adamant yet, so that's good. Go ahead and sleeve Rocket's Adamant up. It's a Team Rocket type of day, I guess. It's considering we got the Rocket Zapdos. Here comes Team Rocket and the Rocket's Adamant, so let's take a closer look at those again. And everything else I got. Got promos. As I drop it. Alright, so today we got the Lancer's Charizard V, Dark Sylveon, the Rocket Zapdos, the Rocket's Admin. Here comes Team Rocket. Here comes Team Rocket number 2. Like I said, Jesse and James duo. Pikachu, Flying Pikachu, and Surfing Pikachu VMAX. I want to thank you for coming by to watch this video. I really appreciate it. As I said before, if you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel, definitely do so. I try to drop content as much frequently as I can. But I appreciate it and look out for more videos in the future. Have a good day.